hi, I'm gonna show you guys around. That's my broom. This keeps bad things out. That's my Halloween decor. That's shoes, and that is my favorite shoe. This is our kitchen. This is my favorite part of the kitchen. Then my roommate's size, I'm not gonna show it in depth because it's not mine.
It's raining. You didn't get an umbrella?
No, I start walking and it's like, oh, something feels different.
Oh my god, that's so sad.
I saw you were vegan.
Plant-based.
This is my side, this is my bed.
What you're longing for, I know what you're waiting for.
This is my desk. Over here, everything is like super colorful and nauseating and amazing. These are my plants. Avery, Judith, Timothy, and Rhonda. And over here you see my crackhead looking art, including my favorite piece I called Cursed Spinel.
I've seen that. Why'd you show it to me?
Come with me. This is by far my favorite spot in the room. Everything is soft and colorful and nice. And I have my friends George and lamb chops. Like I said, I like unicorns. He's gay. I slaughtered his children. This is a love of my life, Spencer. She's very pretty. I like this strap. And I love her body shape and her neck. She has a classical neck. So it's like nice and thick. So it's my nylon strings. And it's really good for like finger picking and acoustic stuff. And I love it.
Are you not gonna play it?
No, that's for the rest of my channel. Subscribe!
Only you had a motive for murder.